Hello YouTube, this is my Lego Flash minifigure review, but this Flash is actually a fake Flash, a KO bootleg class A, whatever you call it, Flash. It's pretty close to the original, but it has few mistakes like wait, as you can see the paint splotch there, the color white paint splotch, and you can't see it well on the camera, but there's a few scratches here and there. He has two faces. I'm just gonna take off the helmet here. The angry face like that, and the happy face, but I prefer the angry face more. This is a very good knockoff. Even if it's fake, it's very good. Here's the back printing there, and I'm gonna put the helmet back on there. And he has two accessories with him. It's this light lightning bolts like that maybe, but I use it for his running poses. Like, I just put one on each hand here like this, and then yeah, here, see, when he runs it looks like pretty fast. I use it for that, but when you see this, I recommend that you pick this up because it's so cool. Even if it's not the helmet in the game, still like it. Or mask, it's a mask. I like it when it's on your, when it's in personal, you're gonna like it very much. So here's my review for the Lego Flash minifigure, and thanks for watching.